Hello friends, welcome back to Crisp Embryology. So without any delay, we will brush up to oogenesis. During fetal life of the female, the primordial germ cells within the ovary divide by mitosis to form large number of oogonia. The oogonia enlarge to form primary oocyte. The primary oocyte undergoes first meiotic division, but unlike in spermatogenesis, it gets arrested in diploting phase of prophase of first meiotic division till puberty. Now at puberty, the meiotic division completes and two unequal cells are formed. The large secondary oocyte having all the cytoplasm and a very small first polar body having no cytoplasm at all. The secondary oocyte enters the second meiotic division at the time of ovulation. This division is also paused in the metaphase stage and it continues only during fertilization. This results in formation of ovum and a tiny second polar body. This is a diagram giving the overview of oogenesis. Now, since oogenesis and development of ovarian follicles go hand in hand, so I have included the topic in the same video. The various stages of development include primordial follicle, primary follicle, secondary follicle, and Graafian follicle. Do you remember the steps of oogenesis? The primordial follicle consists of oogonium surrounded by a single layer of flattened follicular cells. These follicular cells are derived from the cells of ovarian cortex. The primary follicle contains the primary oocyte and is hence larger than primordial follicle. The flattened follicular cells become columnar. The primary follicle shown in the diagram is unilaminar because it has only a single layer of follicular cells. These cells then proliferate to form multilaminar primary follicle. At this point, the follicular cells are called granulosa cells. The granulosa cells also start secreting a glycoprotein substance called zona pellucida. The granulosa cells proliferate at a very high rate and form a huge percentage of the secondary follicle. Small fluid-filled lacuna start appearing between them. They later fuse to form large fluid-filled antrum in the Graafian follicle. In this follicle, the granulosa cells divide into two parts, theca externa and theca interna. The theca interna secretes the hormone estrogen. The antrum enlarges and pushes the secondary oocyte to one side. The granulosa cells covering the secondary oocyte are called cumulus ophiricus. It's the Graafian follicle which ruptures and releases the ovum, which is secondary oocyte during ovulation. So this is all about oogenesis. Comment your doubts and suggestions and please subscribe. Thank you for watching.